Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 199 Star Drop opening, and I actually had to take a moment to really think about what that means. I've been doing this for nearly 200 consecutive days, is actually kind of crazy to me. So if you guys are excited for day 200 tomorrow, don't forget to sweetie swag that like button, or don't, because it really doesn't matter to me. But anyway, let's see what we have today.
Super Rare.
Super Rare. 100 coins.
Epic.
To an epic. 100 credits.
Mythic.
I actually like that spray. I don't think it goes to any particular brawler either. It's probably not the best to get out of a mythic, but yeah, I do like that one. It's kind of weird. It's kind of like that tunnel spray, you know, anything that adds like an extra dimension to the map. There's secret underground or something like that, you know. Anyway, see what we have in this shop. Still have that Tusnita offer for about 7 more hours, so if you guys wanted that, make sure and try to get it today, or just wait till it eventually comes back in the shop at some point. Again, you can't get her out of Star Drops because she's legendary. A Leopard Max is a rare skin. Pretty sure I have the profile icon for these skins, even though I don't have the skins. I'm pretty sure you can get the skins out of Star Drops. And it's on 50% discount. For the daily freebies, I have 60 XPWs and 5 credits. Also, offer for coins. Again, I wouldn't want to buy just resources themselves, but it exists. And it doesn't look like anything's really changed since yesterday, so again, thank you guys for getting me over nearly 200 days here. Is just a crazy thing. So, as of today, I have 60 XP doublers and 21,414 power points. Again, I really don't know what's going on at Supercell HQ here. Why do I need this many power points? Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 200s.